أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 6. In this lesson, the pronunciation of Fathah with different alphabet is explained. Read ba, ta, sa. Don't pull it much. Ba, ta, sa. This is wrong. Read like this. Ba, ta, sa, ha, kha, ra, za, fa, ya, ha, ja, sa, sha, ma, da, za, qa, la, ka, sa, dha, wa, ta, za, na, a, gha.